This week's unboxing video is of a recent release from Tamiya. It's a nice subject of a more unusual early World War II French tank, the S35. To start off with, have a look on the outside of the box. As you come to expect with Tamiya's kits, it's a beautiful artwork there. Detailing also what's included in the box, which is obviously the S35 tank, including cast metal surface patterns, bogey suspension, armoured wheel skirts, and features assembly type tracks including one commander figure and 3 different marking options, which I believe are on the side of the box. Here we have one of the 18th Dragoon Regiment. Again, Tamiya's options of colours there. As you can see, I'll just bring that closer with the camera. Okay. Then we have this side of the box. Some more colour options there. And that side of the box. Right, let's open that up. First up, bag containing the turret, and I believe, let's focus the camera in better. You can see some of the lovely detailing there. Quite astonishing actually. There's the figure that's included. Let's back to this, open this up, shall we? This is a 2015 model, so hence the quality of the sprue should be vastly improved on that of others. Right, let's have a look, see if we can zoom this in a bit better. There we go. Quite that plastic. It's incredible detail actually, and really no mould marks or injection things other than you would expect from the inside there. Really very, very detailed, including the detail there. Extraordinary. See if I can bring that a bit closer. Focus, come on. There we go. Very detailed. Let's turn that over. You can see the texture on that turret there. Extraordinary. Right, well that's the first, and I believe there's 4 of them in here. Here we have the upper and lower hull. Let's move that over to one side. So. We have, which looks like some chain, yes. Yep, toe chain. There's the upper and lower hull. Really some fantastic detail there. I'm hoping I'm getting this on the camera. There's the hatches there, the handles, the hinges. There we go. Very impressed with this one, I have to admit. The underside. There we go. We can, just to show you that this is a 2015 release. Hopefully you can pick it up on the camera there. See if we can get that focus in a minute. There we go, 2015. So yeah, it's quite very impressed with that. Right, that's sprue number 2. We've got here. See the side skirts and the suspension. So we've got exhaust in there, some hatches. Some clear parts there. Yeah, look at the details there. Extraordinary. Extraordinary. Okay. Just see the texture on the actual hatches. So I can bring them even closer now. There you go. Always a nightmare to try and get this focused. Let's try and get it focused. There we go. Impressive. Very impressive. Right. Tracks. Gosh, there's a lot of parts of that, isn't there? Look at that. That's going to take a lot of time, I'd imagine, but I think these are, from what I've read, they click together quite easily. So, but yeah. Last, so we've got the drive wheels here, more suspension parts. There's two in here, there we go, obviously for both sides of the tank. Yeah, these are pretty much duplicates there. Zoom in again just to show you. Let's put that one down there. It's exactly the same. There you go. Very impressive detailing. Going to take very little cleanup after once this has been removed. Yeah, I mean there's just hardly any seams or anything to sort of clean up once it's cut off the sprues. I think it's just a case of sanding those down and then that's it. Wow. Right, next up we've got some background information with regards to the various colour schemes. It's going to be a difficult one to choose from as to which one I might go with. They look very, very good. There's some history there of the tank, including some pictures I believe of taken from a museum located in France. Some instructions in Japanese, French I believe. Yeah. Yeah, very nice. Again, very handy with Tamiyas, showing obviously the different paints required for each scheme. Pretty much looking at this, yeah, all three are the same other than this one, which is including the light blue for the hatch at the top there. Very cool. Right. Then, let's put that over there. We've got the decals. Let's try and see if I could. There's the decals, and I think that's the decals for, yeah, they would be for all three of the different styles that you want to choose. Then we've got our concise instructions, which are always, from my days years ago from doing Tamiya models, should be. And yes, looking at these, are very well laid out. Looks very good actually. There's those dreaded tracks, but yeah, looking to this, it does look like they all just click together. Fairly straightforward stages. Nice kit. Looking forward to this. Looking forward to building this one. There you go. S35 French medium tank. Thank you very much.